Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be walking through and teach you how to register with the profile we are using to trade on Forex. But before I dive into the tutorial, so let me give you 5 solid reasons why majority of Forex traders prefer to go with the profile. Okay, one, it gives them access to large trading capital. That is one reason why people go with profile. You remember, some people have, like, let's say $100, $200 in their account. Maybe one or two move like this, it's their stop loss and the money is gone to the market. They blow the account. But if you have a big capital, like let's say like $100,000, $200,000, okay, you can as well manage your risk. That is why we see a lot of people go with profile. So the second reason is that it reduces the personal financial risk. Okay, for example, when you are trading with a profile, you try as much as possible to risk your capital, not yours. Do you get it? So it gives you full confidence to manage and your financial risk. So the third one I'm going to talk about is what is the profit split opportunities. Mostly more firms, people that pass their challenges, maybe they share it, maybe 80 to 90% profit sharing. Meaning you keep the majority of your profit. It's a winning system. Okay. For example, now you with the profile I'm going to be walking you through, you with as low as $17, you can get an account of $5,000. Wow, that's huge. In this forex markets, it's so very, very simple when you obey the rules and regulation of the market. When you obey your strategy, you can be making so much money. Unlike when you have a small capital of money like $100, you can't compare people that have $100 to the person that have $5,000, or let me say $100,000 in their account. So the lot size will be different. So it's go a long way and you can make a lot of money fast. You make big money fast compared to people that have, let's say, $100 in their account. So that is a big advantage of why people go for profile. And they also is a professional trading environment. Most pro firms often provide tools, analytics, and structured trading plan like the one I'm using, which I'm going to walk you through how to register it, how to go everything into tools. So they have the tools and analytics and the structured trading plan whereby you can use. Okay, so it has a way of long-time success in forex trading. And the last but not the least is the fast track to become a full-time trader. For serious profile, for serious traders, profile are shortcuts to full-time trading. You don't need to wait years to build a capital. Like I said, you have an $100 account in your account now. Let's say your MT5, your MT4. Okay, for how long do you want to use $100 to make $1,000? Okay, even though you are using 0.01 lot size, okay, it go a long way. But with the help of profile, you can manage your risk and be making a lot of money. I've seen a lot of forex traders that it helped them to build up their capital bills. That is why a lot of forex traders that you see in this industry, they go with profile. So I'm going to walk you through how you can register with the profile. Okay, I'm going to drop the link in this video whereby you can click on the link, register with this GoatFunded account. With as low as $18, $17, you can have a $5,000 account. Okay, and even with us, if you said $5,000 is too much for you, there is $8,000, there is $15,000. Okay, so let me walk you through the process now. I'm going to go to the website now and I'm going to walk you through how to register and buy the challenge right now. Let's go. All right, this is the interface of the GoatFunded. So I'm going to give a link in the description of this video. Just click on the link. So register to the process. I'm going to walk you through how to buy your challenge. So on the challenge phase, we have the select model. We have the instant standard, instant goat, one step, two-step standard, and all like. But in this, we are going to be choosing two-step standard. That is what I'm going to walk you through right now. Okay, this is the two-step standard there. You can see this is two-step standard, and I want to buy the $5,000 package. So this is the $5,000 package here. You can see That is the $5,000 package. So I'm going to be clicking on the $5,000 package. That is the second step. So after that, so I'm going to scroll up. So most popular is what is the MT5. Most trader, we are using MT5 to trade on the forex market. So kindly leave it on the MT5, please. Don't change it. Kindly leave it on the MT5. This is the MT5 here. Kindly leave it as it is. Okay. The first step is what you click on the two step. That's the first step. Second step, if you are buying for $5,000, this is $5,000. This is $8,000. This is $15,000, $25,000, $50,000, $100,000, and $200,000. See, this is how people are buying account. You can see some people, do you see they have the $10,000 in their forex account. This is where they are buying the challenge. This is where they are buying accounts whereby they use to what? To trade their money. Okay. So after that, now click on the MT5. So I will show up. Okay. Let me show up. You can see the $5,000 is $33. But because of the coupon which we are going to apply, okay, you'll be getting it for $17.55. Okay. If you see it like this, $33, kindly ignore. Okay, just show up like this. Okay, then you will see the total. This is the total here. Can you see? $17.50. This is how much you are going to pay to buy this $5,000 account. Okay, so in case you click on it, automatically when you alright, please make sure you confirm all your entries. Make sure that it's on two-step standards. Then you choose your account size, $5,000, $8,000, or $15,000. Okay, if you feel like okay, you have big money, I don't want to use $5,000 to start your own trading forex, you can go for $8,000, which is going to give you the price aligned with it. $8,000 will give you $61. Can you see in total? So you're going to have $8,000, and you're also going for $15,000. Okay, it will also give you $124. Okay, the coupon code has removed minus $53.4 for you. Okay, so basically I'm going to walk you through. For this account, is going to be on $5,000 account. Okay, so once everything has been clicked, then you click on continue. So I'm going to click on continue. After you have clicked on continue, okay, you now scroll up. The first thing you see that you're going to input your billing details. You put your email address, your name, your first name, your last name, as you can see on the screen, your email address, your name, your last name, choose your country, put your address, and put other relevant information. Okay, so I'm going to input all the information. After input all the information, please make sure you click on pay with crypto. Please, it's very important. Pay with crypto, because this tutorial I'm going to be paying with my crypto. Then after that, you now click on I have read and accept the terms and conditions that's attached to it. Very, very important. You click here. So when you do that, finish. So let me pause the video, put all the information necessary, and I'll come back and I'll see how I pay it. Thank you. Alright, all information has been filled in the billing details. The email address, the name, the house address, Lagos State, and when it comes to the company name, please kindly ignore this company name here. Please kindly ignore it, okay, and put your phone number. When all information has been filled correctly, then make sure you click on pay with crypto, then confirm to the agree to the website, mark it, and click on place order. So when you click on place order, so let's wait to see the confirmation of the order that you've placed. So it's going to load something like this on the screen. So let it load. So what next? Because I choose payment with crypto, so I'm going to click on LBT confirm. Okay, this is my payment option I'm going to click on. Please kindly take note of this. We are going to click on LBT Confirmer because I'm paying with crypto. So I'm going to click on it right now. So what next? After that, now click on pay 17.5. This is it here. Please kindly note of this. Pay 17.5 USD. So I'm going to click on it. So it's going to load. So it's going to load out the wallet address I'm going to send the money to. So let it load the wallet address out. Okay. Next, it's going to bring out this thing. Okay. So when you click on this, please make sure you click on the Theta USD. I'm going to click on Theta USD. I'm going to click on Theta USD. Okay. So I click on Theta USD. So it's asking me to choose the network. So preferably because of the charges inquired in Trin and Ethereum. Okay, please kindly go for Polygon. I normally click on Polygon network because of the gas fee is very, very minimal. Okay, so I'm going to click on Polygon network. So now it has brought out my wallet address. So what next? I'll quickly tap on this wallet address. I'll click on my wallet address here. I'll tap on it. Then I'll go to my exchange where I have my money to go and pay equivalent of this money. Okay. This is the equivalent of how much I'm going to pay. 17.549784. And this is my wallet address. This is the wallet address I want to pay to. This is my wallet address. So I'll click on copy. So let me go and pay this amount and come back for the successful payment. After I've paid this money, what next? Kindly watch out for my next video. Alright, at the confirmation of the payment I've done, okay, this is what you are going to see. Please make sure you can pay the exact amount you see on the screen, okay, before you can see the wallet address is there. The amount I want to pay is also included there. So once I go to my exchange and pay the exact amount, come back to this place and wait immediately. Within some seconds or 1 minute, it's going to confirm your payment. Once you see this page and this page like this, congratulations. Okay, so your email address you input in your billing details when you are doing your registration, when you want to pay for this challenge, okay, when you want to buy this funded account, the details, your login details, your password will be mailed to you immediately. Will be mailed to you to your email address. Open your email, copy your login details and your password, log into your MT5 and input the details there. Every information, everything is correct. Okay, so if you find any information or you don't understand, please kindly drop your question in the comment section. I'm going to gladly answer all the questions. Thank you. God bless you. Once again, congrats to your Forex journey. See you in the winning side.